Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your VW Passat faster. We'll explore various upgrades to boost its performance, focusing on engine power, improved handling, and overall efficiency. Whether you seek more horsepower or better cornering, there are many effective modifications available. We will cover practical steps to transform your Passat into a more exhilarating driving machine, ensuring a balanced approach to performance enhancements. Boosting your Passat's engine performance starts with an ECU remap, which can unlock substantial power, sometimes adding 45 horsepower and 110 Newton-meters of torque. For even more significant gains, consider upgrading your turbocharger to a larger or hybrid model. Enhancing airflow with a cold air intake and a sports exhaust, typically 1.5 to 2.5 inches, also makes a big difference. Don't forget a fast road camshaft and an upgraded intercooler to keep everything running efficiently. To truly feel your Passat's speed, improving its handling and drivetrain is crucial. Coilovers can lower your car by around 35 millimeters, enhancing stability and cornering. Swapping out worn rubber bushings for polyurethane alternatives will provide a much tighter feel. For better grip and stopping power, invest in performance tires and larger brake discs. Finally, a lighter flywheel and a robust performance clutch will ensure power is delivered efficiently, making your Passat more responsive. Optimizing your Passat's weight and aerodynamics can significantly improve its overall performance. Removing non-essential items, such as the spare tire and rear seats, can shed valuable pounds. Lightweight alloy wheels reduce unsprung mass, benefiting acceleration, braking, and handling. Aerodynamic modifications like underbody smoothing, grille blocks, and removing the roof rack can decrease drag. Even a lighter battery can contribute to better weight distribution and a more agile feel, making your Passat noticeably faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.